Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A8 2021, and I'll show you how to turn on location text and this device camera. So first we should go into the camera application, and now we'll see the last photo, the last picture, and we can see here that we have no here any location. So now we'll go here into the settings, scroll a little bit down, and here you will see the location text section. Just tap here once to turn on the location text and confirm by click here to turn on again. Now just to allow the camera, and here we got the camera settings, and now we'll try to take a picture here, and we'll go back here to the camera, and now we can see here the location where we take a photo right now. And here you can see the difference that we have no information, any information about the location of this photo. But be sure that you are connected to the internet, to the Wi-Fi, or to another mobile data, because and be sure that your device location is activated. Because if you will have now the internet connection, you just can see the location on your device photo here. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.